Welcome back to YouTube. Why don't we start the video with the traffic lights? Oh, that's not a bad idea. Empire Road. Breakneck. So, not much of a ride today. I'm off to the shop where I bought my first flat screen TV from. Went to buy a Sony one and came out with a Sharp one. Because the Sharp picture looks so much better. Plus you got a free sound bar with it. And it was only £1,000. I don't think I'd pay £1,000 for a telly these days. But I had to go and buy it because I just bought about a year or so before a Sony 28-inch all singing and dancing TV with surround sound system with it a lot. And my son said that my son was hanging at home quite too long really. The time we were gone, but he was hanging on about 27, and he says to me, "God, I like that television you've got there." Yeah, really, you know, he's dead chuffed with it. Sat down, you know, film on, blasting away on the sound surround, and he said, "Oh, I want one of these, Dad." I said, "Well, when you move out, you can have that. I'll give you this." And blow me. At the New Year, he met his wife, and within a few months, he was moving out, and I was taking my Sony. So I came up here to this shop here because I'd seen a flat screen that I liked, and they've just come out, and honestly the picture quality wasn't a patch at first. Anyway, when we walked into the shop, I can't remember what it's called, the name of the shop now. It's an electrical shop, you know, lovely shops that we used to have. We don't have them no more. You can go in and pick a camera. I think I bought a camera from them. Pretty sure I did. I think I bought my Panasonic Lumux from them. It was a great photo camera that, but the zoom broke on it, and that was the end of that. But yeah, I bought loads of things from them. Don't think I bought a camcorder. I think I definitely had my Sony Video 8 camcorder at the time. Happy days. Anyway, and now we're going to see if we can find another television today. Is it the same people? Oh, that Bolton Motorcycle's moved. I thought, where's this shop that they've bought here? And I couldn't figure it out, you know. Saw pictures of it and that, and I thought, oh, it's the old telly shop. And we'll be there in a moment. There's a bike going in now. Looks like an Harley. You won't be able to see that. But it's on this side of the what's it? A666 St. Peter's Way. Travel lodge there for anybody who wants to come and stay overnight and have a look around the shop. Oh. Bought 2 bikes in the past from Bolton Motorcycles. Oh, it's on there. Yeah. Didn't back us about with that, did they? So if you're not oh, fast lads are going. Fast lads are going. Very fast lads. Fast. Oh, no. Kawasaki Z900. What's this, a ride out from some bike club? Or have they didn't, well, I know what it is. Ran out of coffee. Well, there they are, right in front of us. think he's gone the wrong way, that fella. Oh, was it? Yeah. And C750X. I should have come yesterday, but I ended up on a child minding duties. I still kick the thing. So,
hello mate.
hello.
Sorry, this part
Better?
here, it's just for the demo fleet that's out.
Is it? Have I put it in the wrong place then?
Yeah, so when we get back, this will be full of bikes.
Do I? Oh, is that them that just gone out?
That was them who just went out, yeah.
Right, I'll move
So
it.
you can literally park anywhere else.
Yeah, trust me, I just saw these here, that, and nobody wanted the eliminator then.
Thanks mate.
Right, that. Got that Honda for being in the wrong place. I thought he was going to greet me with a nice cup of coffee then, but no. They should have had demonstrator fleet on it, shouldn't they? Oh, nice division there. Who do we know that's got one of them? Right then. Here we are. Bolton Motorcycles. I thought they had the full lot. Never mind. Well, here I am in Bolton Motorcycles. It's well worth a visit. This is the clothing section. It's obviously not finished yet. And yeah. And I've seen a couple of bikes I like very much. Let's go down the stairs. Put them up there. I'm not going to do a walk around as such, but because you can see how big it is. Spaced out. They still crammed them in so you can't sit on the bikes, but a couple on my list. All the Suzuki's in that corner. There's mine. It's a cracker. 7-year-old Bonneville. I was just talking about these this morning with Foxy, and now I'm going to bloody see this. So anyway, these are all the second-hand bikes, so good, obviously.
Yeah, I have the car.
Might walk a bit fast there, but I'm not going to do a bike for bike, and this is nice and that's nice. Just back this way. I don't like walking around shops with a camera in my hand, but yeah, that could be on my list. 6,500. It's done what? Put my short lookers on. Oh, it's done nearly 8,000 miles, but it's immaculate. Can't see anything wrong with it. And for £6,500, well, and it's black. What's not to like? And then here's the Hero. Won't mind that red one, because can't have the white one. Ian's got that. And then we've got QJ Motorcycles here. So my one I fancy is this one. See, I'd really like it on the NX500, but look at this, for £4,500. Comes with handguard, it comes with nearly every centre stand, handguards. Centre stand's the main thing, crash bars, you name it, it's got it. And it has a nice seat height, which goes for me of 835, which is doable for me, but just about doable. And then we have this QJ, this is the 650 I think, yeah. Oh no, this is this VT 650. And I wasn't really bothered about this one at first, because look, no crash bars on it. Things for your boxes at the back. Proper indicators not in a thing, eh? I really like this. For £6,700. This is in yellow, but I could have the red one. But the best beauty of this is CI795.